Thank you very much.
Hello, we are Space Jam, and our team name is actually BunsBuggy. So as we all know, this is the Magenta Collider app. When we're playing around with the notes, we found something very human, ironically, the human nature of being curious to try different things and getting excited for what to come next. And for our team, that was the piece that made us look forward for the future of AI music. So how can we build an experience that allows people to feel more of that? Music is in everybody and in every space. So if we reimagine the nods as individuals, we're able to design an interesting experience that keeps us alive, embodied, and social. So let me introduce Space Jam. Step into the frame and you become a living musical nod. And given a sound and turned into one of the melodies by Magenta. You start moving around, exploring, and start jamming with others. When you connect with someone, you and your neighbor's melody stack and creates a new type of music. For example, if you are named Moody and your neighbor is guitar, you too could become a type of a rock like post-punk. So let's jam.
This is our integration with Audiotool. And our live demo, which will be presented by our teammate. Thank you so much.
Thank you.